Yes. Demanding to be fed, are you? Yes. Come on. Come on. Oh, yes, we love you. Oh. Come on. Come on. Yes. Oh, you're going to get a nice sardine in a minute. Ooh, oops. Boy, he really snorts that down, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Does he let you touch him?
No.
Ah. Yeah, he's got he's got an eye back on us, doesn't he? He sort of looks back at us to make sure we're not trying to make a grab for him. Might be a good idea not to try to touch him, otherwise then you'll really never get rid of him.
Yeah, that's right.
So he flies okay, right?
Well, he sort of jumps. He can't fly properly, but we don't. But he can kind of jump and fly a bit.
Where does he hang out at night time then?
He just seems to hang out around here.
So he's more of a nesting bird than a flying bird. I mean,
Yeah,
it is a seagull, right?
Yeah, it's a seagull. His mum is around as well. She keeps an eye on him, and he just seems to sleep outside.
Do you think he's injured?
No, if you look around, you'll see other ones like him.
That lost the ability to fly?
Well, it's just that he's great. He's just learning to fly. That's all.
Oh, you mean this is a juvenile?
Yeah, he's just young.
Yeah, you better watch it. You may be restricting his development.
By feeding him.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know about this. Oh. All right, well, thanks for the demo. That's wonderful.